What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a BullX early access code. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now the only way to get the BullX early access code is through a BullX partner. So luckily I am a BullX partner, and if you guys want to use my access code, I will leave that in the description below. Also, by using my access code, you get 10% trading fee discounts on all BullX trades. So it's as simple as that guys, you only need to use a code that a BullX partner has provided you. So in the description below I will leave a sign up link with the code integrated and also the normal early access code right under it. So that's about it guys, go ahead and try to use that code and comment if it worked. Thank you for watching.